Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in the new Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the new consistent free transform in Photoshop CC 2020. So the biggest difference is that free transform works the same way on all types of layers. So whether you have a vector layer, a rasterized layer, a text layer, or a smart object, free transform works the exact same way. And you can also select multiple layers and use free transform. To use the new free transform, select the layer, go to the edit menu, select free transform, or use the keyboard shortcut Command T. This is a vector layer, and in the past you had to hold the shift key, but you no longer need the shift key to just drag out and it will scale proportionally. It doesn't matter if you go from the top, from the sides. If you want to scale proportionally from the center, hold the option key and drag out. Works the exact same way on a rasterized shape. So I'm going to bring up free transform by using the keyboard shortcut Command T, or you can go to the edit menu and select free transform. I'm just going to drag out. No shift key is required. If I want to scale from the center, I'm going to press the option key and that will scale proportionally from the center. If you hold the shift key while you're in free transform, it's going to actually distort the image. Smart objects, exact same thing. Command T to bring up free transform. All you have to do is drag and it will scale proportionally. If I want to scale from the center, option key, it will scale in from the center. And finally, you can select multiple layers and use free transform to scale all the layers proportionally. I'm going to select this top layer, the vector shape. I'm going to hold the shift key and press the smart object. I'm going to hit Command T to bring up free transform. And I don't have to hold any modifier key, and you'll see it will scale all of the layers in proportion with each other. Pretty cool. So the big difference in free transform for CC 2020 is that free transform works the same on all types of layers. You do not need to hold the shift key, or you can hold the option key if you want to scale in from the center. And of course, while you're in free transform mode, you can still rotate by hovering your cursor over on the edges, and you can right click and choose more options for free transform. And if you want to go back to the old way of using free transform, you can do so in the preference menu by going to General, check on the box for Use Legacy Free Transform, click OK. Now when I go into free transform, the shift key is required in order to maintain aspect ratio. So you have the option. The new way, you don't have to use any modifier key. The old way, you need the shift key. My name is Mike Murphy. That is free transform in the new Photoshop CC 2020. Cheers.